Let's go to our default tray and close out the instructor drop-down tab. We don't want anything distracting us from our workspace. That being said, let's get started in SketchUp by drawing a line. Go to your tool set and click on the pencil icon. This is the line tool. Just ignore the drop-down arrow for now. When you move your cursor onto the workspace, we see the pencil icon. This tells us our line tool is active and we are ready to draw a line. Click anywhere on the workspace to create a starting point for the line. After clicking once, we see the line tool is still active, and when our line is parallel to our axis, it changes color corresponding to that axis line, which in this case are green and red. This is called inferencing, and it is very useful, as we will see in other videos. Let's use inferencing to make this a horizontal line. Aim your cursor to the right or left side, and once you see the line turn red, click again to create an endpoint. Great, but SketchUp doesn't know that we've finished our line, as we are still seeing our pencil icon on the workspace. To finish our line, go to the tool set and choose the arrow icon, which is the select tool. Or you can simply press the spacebar on your keyboard. Pressing the spacebar will activate our select tool. This is a keyboard shortcut that will be used frequently. You will see we are no longer seeing the pencil tool on our workspace. Another keyboard shortcut is L for the line tool. Take a moment and quickly press between the two shortcuts using your index finger for L and thumb for the spacebar on the keyboard. If you keep at it, using shortcuts will become second nature. Don't worry if you're not accustomed to it yet. Back to our exercise, let's draw another line using the shortcuts, and this time let's set a measurement. Using our line tool, click once and position your cursor in the direction of your endpoint. Instead of clicking again on your keyboard, type in 20 feet. You can see our measurements to the bottom right as we type them. Press Enter on your keyboard. And now press the spacebar to finish our line. To check our dimensions, you can use the line tool again. Click once on the starting point and simply hover your cursor to the other end. On the bottom right, we see our measurement of 20 feet. Now that we have confirmed its measurement, press the spacebar on your keyboard to release the line tool. You should see your select cursor now. You can also set an annotated dimension for our line by going to Tools, Dimensions, and clicking on the start and end points for the line. And that's it. For our next exercise, let's draw some shapes.